The winners for Best Performer in Production Number,
Miss ACLC, candidate number 4, Gian Tahos. Okay. And
right.
and the best in production number, Mr. ACLC, candidate number 4, Jonathan Fernandez. The best in production costume, Mr. ACLC, candidate number 4, Jonathan Fernandez.
Yes, again, Mr. Jonathan Fernandez.
And the best in production costume, Miss ACLC, is candidate number
5, Miss Joanne Aluna.
the best in swimsuit, candidate number 4, Miss Gian Tahos. And the best in trunks, candidate number 1, Rex Kilbio. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Candidates.
And the Mr. Physique is no other than candidate number 1.
Oh, boy.
Kilview.
That's twice already.
And for Miss Body Beautiful, it's candidate number 1. Miss
Oh.
And the best in casual wear. For the ladies, we have candidate number 4, Miss Jehan Tahos. Okay. And for the males, the best in casual wear is no other than candidate number 4, Jonathan Fernandez.
The winners for the Mr. and Miss Friendship are candidates number 3 and 4. Candidate number 3 is Patrick Asenias, and candidate number 4 is Miss Gian Tahos. Congratulations to you. And the winners are candidates number 1, Rex Kilbio II, and candidates number 2, Eileen Shock. Very photogenic. Very photogenic nga.
Indeed.
Indeed.
Okay. For the most uploaded candidate,
The winners are candidate number 3, Miss Lourdes Laurito, and number 3, Patrick Jean Asenias. Again?
again. So indeed, that posing there.
Oh yeah, it counts. That really counted a higher point.
Yes.
Up next are the faculty and staff choice. And The winners are candidate number 4, Jonathan Fernandez, and what a surprise, candidate number 4, Gian Tajos. Candidate number 5, Jam, Michael Pepito.
I
And
guess
candidate
it was
number
again
2.
from the female.
And candidate number 2, Eileen Shock, again.
Again. She's the best Miss Photogenic at this time.
Okay.
The Miss Congeniality.
I lost count. I'm sorry, Ellen. I lost count
I did.
of your awards. So next award will be the Best in Talent Presentation. Candidates number 5, Jonathan Fernandez, and candidate number 3, I'm sorry, it's number 4. All right.
It's number 4.
Number 4,
yes.
Jonathan Fernandez. And candidate number 3, Maria Lourdes Laurito.
Okay.
Did I got it correct?
Have you seen the video yourself?
No, I was at the back of the video screen.
I was there, you know.
The best in evening gown, candidate number 4, Gian Tajos, again. And the best in formal attire, candidate number 2, Armando Carrizo. Wow. Okay, congratulations to our winners. We have our 4th runner-up, Judeline Macadis.
The 4th runner-up for the males, we have candidate number, it's number 3.
And the 3rd for the ladies, for the Miss ACLC, the 3rd runner-up goes to Maria Lourdes Laurito, candidate number 3.
We only have Mr. Carrizo as our 3rd runner-up.
Okay, and for the 2nd runner-up, garnering a score of 83.6, candidate number 2, Eileen Siok.
Okay, candidate number 5, Mr. Jam Pepito.
So, I'll start off with the female. Our first runner-up for the Mr. and Miss ACLC 2006, garnering a score of 92 points. Candidate number 5, Miss Joanne Alunan.
Okay, so the first runner-up for the male category, he garnered 90.36%. We have candidate number 1, you're right. For the Mr. and Miss ACLC or MOC 2006, may we call on our school director, Mr. Roger Lagarde, and of course, the managing director, Miss Virginia Lagarde.
Wow. Anyway, congratulations to all.
A king indeed, and a queen.
And a king and queen. Any requests for the king and queen for the Mr. and Miss ACLC? Do you have any requests? Sa inyo pa ngayon? Ha?